sticky on it.
Probably. I go wash my hands.
It's probably poop.
Here.
It's okay, Katie.
She's like a godmother.
Oh, you're so cute.
No, that's Kayla. She's another frequent mommy, but lately she hasn't been.
Meow.
She's scrawny. She's got scratched ups.
You're okay.
She's probably
Meow. It's okay, honey.
Well, what?
Meow.
You yourself have made references to her being like a prostitute.
They are prostitute kitties. Want help with that?
I'm trying to record it. Aw, you.
There you go.
I like to come out here and then play with the kittens.
They're just like rolling around each other.
They's chirping.
And they want to come out and play.
I smell like doggy. Can't like that very much. Oh! Looked right at me and chirped. How
The one
cute.
with the gray head and then like the white face.
Yeah.
I named him
Oh yeah, skull.
Skull Bones.
You're falling off my